Welcome to PocketDump.com. I'm going to quickly run through the functions of the Victorinox signature. So as you can see, it's a classic Swiss Army knife red with the Victorinox logo. It has a keyring attachment so that you can attach this to a bunch of keys or attach a lanyard. And the scales on both sides are made from a high-impact ABS plastic called Cellidor. So let's open the first tool, which is a super sharp stainless steel blade. Now that blade measures just a shade over 1 1/4 inches. On the other side, we have a really hard-wearing, long-lasting nail file, and the end has been shaped to create a small, flat-headed screwdriver. On the opposite side, we have a small pair of scissors with the built-in spring so that the blades open and close. Also, on this knife, there's this little switch which, when deployed, pops out a pressurized ballpoint pen. It has a set of tweezers, and it also comes with a toothpick, so if you want to swap the tweezers for a toothpick instead, you could. Really handy multi-tool, the Victorinox signature.